Object detection in AI Connect. Detecting the object from image or camera is known as object detection. Human beings can see images and objects by their eyes and then analyze them to understand the quality of these images and objects. Similarly, AI detects the objects around us like animals, vehicles, furniture, etc. Steps of object detection by AI are as follows. Step 1. Create AI coding activity on AI Connect. Step 2. Go to AI Learning, Object Detection and check out the following blocks. Load Image block allows user to either click picture through camera or load local image from desktop. Get Object Count block is used to detect and count the selected object. Show Image with Border block is used to show detected image with and without border on output window. Step 3. Drag and drop the Load Image block. Step 4. Attach if-do block from Logic category. Step 5. Add Get Object Count block inside if-do block and change object to aeroplane using arrow button in the block. Step 6. Add Show Image with Border block. Step 7. Add Print block from Output category and add String block from the Data Types category inside Print, then write Aeroplane. Step 8. Expand the if-do block by clicking on icon, add else block to if block. Step 9. In else, attach one more print block and string block, then write image not matched. Following is the complete code. Step 10. Now click on load image block and new window will appear, then click on browse button. Step 11. Choose your file from your computer and then the selected image will appear as shown here. Step 12. Click on submit button. Step 13. Click on Run button.